In this tutorial, you'll create a visual mockup of a comparison slider using custom shapes, perfect for before and after designs. Open Photoshop and set up a wide canvas. Select the Custom Shape tool and draw two large rectangular shapes, placing them side by side to represent before and after states. Assign contrasting colors to clearly differentiate them. Now draw a thin vertical rectangle in the center to act as the slider bar. Add a circle custom shape in the middle of the bar as the draggable handle. To enhance realism, apply a soft shadow to the handle and slightly brighten the active side. Add small labels using the Type tool. Zoom out. The comparison slider mockup now feels interactive and clear.